In this video, I am combining football clubs' kits with their shirt sponsors. For this video, I have selected Barca, Madrid, and Man United. If you have any more similar ideas, comment below. Let's aim for 2,000 views on this video so I can continue this series further. For this video, I used a kit mock-up provided by a creator. The links will be given below, so please check them out. For the first one, I arranged the Spotify, Nike, and Barca logo accordingly. And I also made the Nike color the same green as Spotify. After that, I created this design to represent Barca colors, and they also look like music sound waves going in line with the theme of Spotify. Then I removed the Adidas stripes and made them the Barca blue. I kept the sleeve ends just one single color, and here is the first mashup kit. Let me know what you think, and what would you change? For the next one, I chose Emirates and Real Madrid. First, I only wanted the Emirates logo without the text, so I removed text and added the same red to the Adidas logo. For the stripes, I first thought of the same red, but it was changed to the Emirates flag stripes. I added Real Madrid in Arabic text. I tried different variation of the Emirates flag, but in the end, I only kept it subtle and on the edges and stripes. This was the toughest and my least favorite since I brainstormed a lot, but still, I think I could not make it look good. For the next, I had a great idea. I wanted to implement the circuit design you see on these Snapdragon chip ads, so I used that design as a base for this one. I adjusted it accordingly and then added the Snapdragon logo and club logo. Then I made it look like that the Snapdragon logo is actually inside the kit with some duplicating and layer effects. Then I colored the sleeves accordingly and kept the stripes black. After that, I added the same design to the sleeve ends. Lastly, I adjusted the collar color. You might be seeing the Nike logo, but I fixed it at the end and added the Snapdragon colors to it. And here is the final result. From the three, this was my most favorite, with the Barca kit in second place. Do let me know your opinions in comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Download latest PSD files on my PayHip. Pay as little as $2 per file. Links in description.